This is an electric chopper suitable for meat, fruit, peanut, walnut, bean, and so on. Stainless steel compact body design, nice looking, easy to wash and operate. This is a food storage container. It is widely used conventional storage of nuts, snacks, fruits, cereal, etc. Easy to carry and identify, beautiful and practical. The box has a beautiful appearance which can enhance the style of the table. Is an electric tea and coffee maker kettle, intelligent microcomputer, temperature control, 5 minutes to boil, 300 low power control, one click quick button, low decibel without disturbing work, and easy to boil water at work. Triple pressure relief protection, closing the lid and boiling water for more peace of mind. The liquid crystal highlights the temperature and the heating process is as clear as your fingertips. The water temperature is known at the touch of a button, and drinking warm water does not require repeated cooking. Easy to clean and free from dirt and scale.